Hi guys, Melvin here from Exercise Timer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Tabata timer using Exercise Timer. So open up Exercise Timer, tap on plus, tap on new workout, and let's name this workout Tabata Timer. Select an icon, tap on plus, and add exercise. The first interval, we're going to name it work, and it will be 20 seconds. So you select the 20 seconds by scrolling down on the time there, click on done, and we're going to create another interval, and we're going to name this break. Okay, set it to 10 seconds. If you want, you can also tap on this and just type 10, and we're going to select the color, we're going to make it green, and press done. Let's set the repetitions to 8, and press save, and there we have it. So if we open it now and press start, the Tabata timer will start. And if you want, you can tap this to see all the exercises remaining in your workout. Okay, that's done.